Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add products on Big Cartel Tips and Tricks 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, go to the homepage of Big Cartel. Over here, click on the login option at the top right corner. Then enter your shop URL and password. After that, click on the login button. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the products section. Then click on the plus add product sign. Over here, upload an image of your product. After that, type in the name of your product. Then enter the product description. After that, click on categories and choose the relevant one. Then click on done to confirm the category. Over here, enter your product price. After that, if your product has different versions, click add variant. Then click on shipping. Over here, enter the countries and shipping fees. Finally, review everything and click on the save button. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next